So today we learn how to download and install the updated version of Visual Studio Code, and we'll be doing this process using Windows 11. And the first step is open your preferred browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Press enter. Click on the official link visualstudio.com, and afterwards you'll be directed to their main page, and click the download for Windows button and wait for a file to be downloaded. So the download has begun. So right click and click open to begin the installation process. Here's the license agreement. Click I accept the agreement. Click next. So the installed files will be located in our local disk C, but if you want to change you can simply click on the browse button, but I'll leave mine in default. Click next. Next. Let's create our desktop icon. Click here. Click next. And you are ready to install. Click on the install button and wait for some few seconds for the setup to be complete. So our setup is complete. So there are two ways to open Visual Studio Code. Let me first uncheck this so that I can show you those methods, and click finish. And the first method is you can search at the search bar Visual Studio Code. Here it is. It's visible. You can open it. And you have launched the Visual Studio Code. And the other method is at the search bar, type CMD, open it, and simply type code and press enter. And our Visual Studio Code has been launched again. So that's how to download and install the updated version of Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from WebPro Education. Thank you.